Mamma mia, here I go again. Alrighty friends, in this video, you guys are surely in for a treat because we are going to be turning this average little cracker of a snack into a 5-course meal. For those of you who have followed me for a while now, you will maybe remember that this is something I've wanted to do for a really long time, and I've just really never gotten to it. I've done a lot of really weird food videos. I turned myself into an ice cream sundae. I made myself into soup. I'll link all that nonsense down below, but you know, it didn't really seem like the right time to do another food video, and I don't know, unless like it's like at the spur of the moment. For example, I went to Walmart today, picked out ingredients for this video, so there has to be like some sporadicness to it, and I just wasn't really ever feeling it before, even though like I really wanted to do the video, and I was really excited, and I've talked to some of you about it, and I felt bad because this is like one of the videos. I feel bad because sometimes like I'll tell you guys like, oh, a video's coming, and like sometimes like I've tried to film it, it didn't work out, or it's like still on the list, and I know you guys look past that and like appreciate all the stuff that I'm able to put out, and we have so much fun together and bond and all that amazing stuff. But yeah, this is just one of the things that I've been so excited to do, and I'm just really happy to finally cross it off the list, and also enjoy doing it and not forcing myself into something that didn't feel right at the time. With that being said, yeah, we're gonna do the full face of makeup using only food products today. Super excited about that. Let's go. Prior to applying my makeup, I almost always use like a serum or like an oil. I don't really feel like putting actual oil on my face. You feel me? This is probably gonna be enough to cause a breakout. So in order to awaken or refresh my face a little bit, I thought we could use some Red Bull. I don't want to waste it though. Mask off. Yeah. Ooh, it got my eyeball. It's so tingling. Oh, I know I can taste it, but it's like my eyeballs can taste it too. I love it! I like this. This is like a cute little bang look. Now that my face is nice and prepped, let's get on to the next step. In order to actually prime my face, I thought we would go in with some honey. This is Great Value Clover Honey. I don't really know what that means, and I don't really know the different types of honey, but nonetheless, my thought process behind this is, since honey is so sticky, icky, wicky, I figured that if I slather this all over my face, whatever I put on afterwards, it's just not coming off. I mean, even in the shower, you guys, this food's probably not coming off. So in with the honey. I don't really want to ruin anything, so I feel like I'm going to apply this with my fingers. Gotta clear the war zone, if you know what I mean. Alright, little fella. He's so cute. I love him. He's a little bear. I bet it's very good. Ooh, it's so sticky. Ooh. It stuck to my tongue inside the sucker thing. Okay. On my face you go. It's not coming out. Oh. I'm not built for this. You are a fat boy. I might have to open the top. That's probably a really bad idea, but this is not coming out. I feel like you're supposed to microwave this or something to make it more liquidy. Oh, do not microwave in this container. Yes, friends, do not. I mean, I would, but don't do it. Oh, that's why. This is one. I never open things all the way. And ew, and then I have to deal with this nonsense. Oh, round 2. Ooh. 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 And whoop! He said, I'm in love with a stripper. No. It tickles my nose. Well, here goes nothing. Blend it out. I hate this already. Oh, it feels disgusting. Oh. Ooh, it kind of like, it's like ripping my hairs out. What if it ripped my whole face off? Okay. Unfortunately, I wanted to have some face wipes for this project, but I do not. So I'm gonna wash my hands. I'm gonna leave the honey on my face, obviously. I'm gonna wipe this up and then I'll be right back. So far my face is feeling very sticky, very firm, very cute. So we're gonna go in with foundation next. I unfortunately couldn't find much of anything that really matched my complexion. So yeah, we're going in with some Jiffy. Jiffy. Oh, it's just Jif. Sorry, Jif. Usually I am much more of a crunchy peanut butter guy, but I don't feel like having a bunch of nuts on my face. We're gonna go in with my super cute rainbow sponge. This is from Creme Shop. I don't know. I got it at Walgreens. It had a unicorn on it. Super cute. It's probably gonna ruin it. But at the end of the day, I don't really care because this is a really firm sponge and honestly, that's not up my alley. I like a big soft one. Into the peanut butter we go. What a creamy delight. Oh my god, I feel like a sandwich. We're gonna try to avoid my facial hair as much as possible because I don't feel like having it ripped out when I'm trying to scrub this off my face. Ooh, it's gonna be like a face mask. I'm gonna try to get it as close to the eye as possible, which is definitely not advisable, especially if you have even a severe form of allergy to any of these foods. But I'm a psychopath, so I'm just gonna go with it. The heat from my body is causing this to drip all over, and it's kind of disgusting. Remember, guys, less is more. We can't forget the neck. Heaven forbid we forget the neck. I don't need to see any of you guys coming at me in the comments. Can't forget the ears, of course. Like a bronze god. I'm really trying my best to make this look as presentable as possible, considering this was my grocery budget for the week. Just kidding. So far, I think I'm doing a really good job. It's coming together really cute. I think we're gonna move on to concealer. Originally, so I almost bought the white frosting, and then I saw the cream cheese. So I thought it'd be like a nice cream color. It would really accent my wonderful complexion. dive right in. Low-key, I just want to take a bite. We're gonna dab it. Ooh. Okay. I can see that the frosting and the peanut butter are not friends because they're not mixing. Now, what have I done? Honestly, the frosting is just kind of dissolving. So that's really weird. That was very unforeseen. Before I ruin my face with any more of that horrible frosting, I'm going in with just a little more peanut butter. And then we're gonna set it with our setting flour. You see what I did there? I mixed the words. Setting powder, setting flour. I'm gonna go in with the cheapest brush I own, because just like this flour, I will probably be throwing this brush away as well. It's just a whole day of throwing things away. How nice. Honestly, if I buff some of this away, it won't look that bad. And I think it's helping set the peanut butter. That's cute. Guys, I think we're onto something. Who is she? Whoever would have thought that a little bit of flour would save the day? I love it. It's very matte, very mannequin-like. Let's brush away any excess. Now that the makeup is set, honestly, really nicely, except for this part right here. This is like literally the only flaw with the whole thing. We're gonna bronze the cheekbones up a little bit and the perimeters of the face with our cocoa bronzer. This, I'm gonna try not contaminate the powder, just because I feel like I can use this for future projects. So we're gonna dump out a nice generous amount. Hopefully this sticks. If not, don't worry, we'll think of something. Oh yeah, that's nice. I bet when we brush this off a little bit, oh my gosh, it's gonna look so good. Oh, it smells delicious too, by the way. You gotta lift up with it. It's really like sculpt up your cheekbones. Just lift up with it. Okay, it's sticking a little bit, but honestly, I've seen worse. Okay, good. Maybe just like a little more right here. Yeah, really good. Very distinguished. Oh, we can't forget the nose. I was gonna save this for setting spray, but I really need to just kind of wet the brush a little. And we'll sculpt out the nose. I'm going with a little bit of the frosting for some highlight. Oh, can't forget the bridge of the nose. Okay. In an effort to add a little bit more color back into my facial hair, I think I'm gonna coat it with the cocoa powder. Oh yeah, what a great idea. Hello, Daddy. Ooh, you guys. Ooh, I look like a manly man. Mm. Well, I think that honestly the last step is to lock in all this beautiful with a little bit of Baker's Joy. Honestly, this seemed like the best option because I, myself personally, am a baker. Hopefully this doesn't cause me to go blind. Are you guys ready? Ooh, it's so foamy. It smells like chemicals and butter. Oh, it feels so creamy. It's like a nice little lip gloss. Before I go, I forgot. I got us a nice little lip tint to try out. Honestly, I couldn't find this for the life of me, and my boyfriend had to find it for me. So that was cool. Oh my gosh. I haven't had one of these in a minute. Well, I thought this was going to be red. So honestly, I don't want to contaminate this just yet. Otherwise, I won't eat it later, so. Unfortunately, I think this is the final look. Ah, who am I kidding? Fuck it, we'll open it. I couldn't resist. How cute. Alright, guys. I gotta go. And take a shower because honestly, I feel like my skin is crawling. But other than that, I had a really fun time, and as always, it was really fun hanging out with you guys today. I am really excited to get this posted just so we can get on to our next little project. Like I said, this was something I wanted to do for a minute, so I know it was kind of silly. Thank you for bearing with me. As always, leave me recommendations down below. I love hearing your guys' opinions. I love hearing your feedback. I love just hearing from you. And you guys make my day all the time. And I'm just excited for the next time we get to hang out again. So, love you all so much. Have a great night, and I'll catch you later. Bye.